Change in manifesting requires 3 steps, and the first step is most important, and that is getting rid of old wounds. We humans are experts at holding on to our old pain. But when we do that, what we're doing is we're holding on to an old identity that we must release if we want to manifest something new in our lives. And so we must get rid of this old pain. The second step is all about understanding where change comes from. It doesn't come from our conscious ego, and it doesn't come from our unconscious mind. It actually comes from our creative consciousness, which is the part of our consciousness that interacts with source consciousness. This is where all possibility and all new opportunity come from. And the final step is to understand the difference between faking it until you make it and being it until you see it. Faking it means when people are watching, you're doing the thing. And as soon as they're not watching, you're not doing the thing. Being means that you're thinking, feeling, acting, and choosing in alignment with what you want. Because the most important watcher is your own brain. You need to do it when people are watching, but more importantly, you need to do it when no one is watching at all. If you're interested in understanding these 3 steps, I'm doing a free training this Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Click the link associated with this post and join me, and we'll unpack change for good.